Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you a new pair of Louboutin boots. I was just taking off my Apple Watch. A new pair of Louboutin boots that I have recently purchased. I purchased these off the Christian Louboutin website and I've checked and they're still available, so I will link them down below. But if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. I know I always do my disclaimers at this part of the video, but for some reason my hair is looking extremely bright in this video and I am looking extremely dark. Now I do have fake false tan on, or whatever you want to call it, but I'm not this dark in real life, or at least I hope I'm not, because I've been walking around all day. But anyway, let's move on to the box. So the box looks like this. And I got a new pair of boots. I have been absolutely obsessed with buying winter and autumn clothes or fall clothes when I was pregnant, because I couldn't buy any of the summer clothes, so I feel like I missed out on summer, although I kind of wore maxi dresses, but I feel like I completely missed out on buying for summer, so I was so excited to buy for winter. So I've had these for about a month, if not more, and they've literally sat in my wardrobe torturing me for me to go and try them on and wear them, but I didn't want to do that with pregnancy feet. So now that I'm back to my original size, I can wear these babies, which I can't wait. But enough of the rambling, let's go ahead and unbox them and then I will try them on for you as well. So I thought that for once I would do a change of scenery and not open it on my marble table. So I'm actually opening this on my bed. These are White Company, just in case you wanted to know, White Company sheets and a duvet cover. Anyway, on to the Louboutin unboxing. So this again is the box, typical Louboutin box, and let's go ahead and get opening, because you know what the box looks like. So inside, I've ordered this directly from Louboutin.com. I'll link it down below anyway. And they always put in this little card that says about how you have to try them on a soft surface, which is understandable. Then I have got one large dust bag, and I have some heel replacements. And this time they actually come along, nope, they're just heel replacements. I thought they were going to come along with a little tool, but no. So you can see they're quite large heel replacements, so maybe that'll give you a clue of what's inside. Let's open these. And I've said before, I love buying from Louboutin directly and not like Net-a-Porter or anywhere else, because they always come brand new, never even tried on, and the best packaging ever. Like the packaging isn't ripped, tissue paper isn't ripped and things like that. So these are the boots that I got. So I'm just going to move away the box and show you them more closely, and then we'll do a try on. So this is what they look like up close. You see the beautiful brand new sole, never been scuffed or worn. I'm very good not trying these on. They have been sitting in my wardrobe dying for me to wear them. So they are this beautiful calfskin leather. Quite a chunky heel for me. I usually like a stiletto heel, but I thought that these were quite practical for out and about. And they are this kind of shiny material here. And they are just so soft, but not soft enough that they'll like crease easily around the ankles and things like that. And they are this round toe. I hope you can see that. I'll try them on so that you can see them up close. But they're this beautiful round toe. Quite short, so they just come above the ankle a little bit. So I'm going to be wearing these with like trousers tucked into them or kind of coming down over them. And these are more my casual, everyday kind of boots. Can you say kind of one more time? But yes, this is what they look like up close. And in case I didn't say, they have this zip down the side, so that's how you get into them. But I am delighted with them. So let's go ahead and see what they look like on. just quickly show you these up close, closer kind of near my face. And I am going to, as I've just showed you, style these with ripped jeans and a black turtleneck, probably kind of like what I'm wearing right now, with a biker jacket, maybe a grey one or a black one or a pink one, and really cozy knit. Or I'm going to wear these with leather leggings, or I basically can wear these with any type of trousers. I'm not sure, because of where they are, if I will wear these with skirts. I think if you're taller, these would be absolutely gorgeous with a skirt, just with bare legs. But unfortunately, because I am so small, well, I'm not so small, but I'm 5'3", I don't think that these suit whenever I wear short kind of boots that cut me off here at the ankle or just above the ankle. I think it makes me look smaller, so it's something I'm conscious of, so something that I probably won't wear with a skirt. I prefer over the knee boots or longer knee high boots to wear with skirts, but with trousers I think I will get so much use out of these. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say about these. These are still on the website, and I will link these down below in case I didn't say. I think I've now said that about 3 times, but can I still use baby brain as an excuse? I'm not sure, but yeah. So we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing those new shoes. In case I didn't say, which I hope I did, I don't think I actually did, these are the, I'll try to put that up, I'll obviously link them down below as per usual. These are the Adox 85 Cav / Coolio heel, and these are in the black, or the black Lucido, and I got mine in a size 38, so I would say that they run completely true to size. I plan on wearing mine with a thick sock, because obviously they're for the winter, so a 38 still gives me a lot of room. But I can vary from a 4.5 right up to a 38.5 in Louboutins, but I usually am a 38 on high street shoes, so that's what I picked up in these, and they fit absolutely perfect, but perfect when I want to wear thick socks. So if you wanted them to wear with bare feet, which I don't know if you would want to do, or thin socks, then maybe half a size down, maybe. But yes, I hope you really enjoyed seeing this one. I have so many autumn and winter hauls coming up, a lot of them shoes, because you know that I have an addiction to buying shoes, especially when it comes from this brand. So please stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!